My name is Ashley Carter, and I'm a mother. From a small town in Kentucky, from 2012 until 2021, I was a full-time stay-at-home mom. No criminal history, no addiction, no violence, no neglect, just a mom who cooked breakfast, packed lunches, read bedtime stories, and thought love and stability were enough to keep her children safe. My real-life nightmare began when the divorce and family court process started. My children were 3 and 9. Today they're 7 and 13, and those years in between have been stolen from us. I have missed their first days of school, their birthdays, the sound of them laughing in my home, giggling in my bed. I will never get those years back. I have been jailed more than once for doing nothing more than speaking the truth publicly, exercising what should be my First Amendment right. Each time, my children were left wondering where their mother went. Each time, the message was clear: stay quiet or lose them forever. I have been called names and degraded in court in a way that no woman or mother should ever hear from an officer of the law. In my small town, the people in power make up their own rules. I asked for copies of my court hearings that were supposed to be public, but was told I needed the judge's permission. When I asked the judge, she refused to release, and I was silenced. The unthinkable happened. My children were placed with the very woman who helped destroy my marriage. A woman with a documented history of abuse. My youngest, only 3 at the time, was ripped from my arms, left with total strangers after never being away from me. My daughter wrote letters to the court begging to come home, begging to be with me. Those letters were twisted into evidence against me. For 4 years, I paid $100 a week just to see them for 1 supervised hour, several times going months, with no visit at all. Connections mattered more than truth, more than safety, more than the cries of a child. My children have been held captive and isolated, not just from me, but from their grandparents, from cousins, from everyone who loves them. They are prisoners inside a system that was supposed to protect them. And still, I stand here because what happened to us is not rare. It's happening to mothers and fathers across this country who dared to speak up against corruption and abuse. Family court has become a place where truth dies behind closed doors. I'm asking you to look past the titles and robes and see the human cost. See the children growing up without the parent who would die for them. See the mothers who have done everything right and lost everything anyway. Because no parent should ever have to beg a courtroom to love their own children. And no child should ever have to wonder why justice forgot them.